Does the feel and sound of styrofoam make anybody else just like want to exit their body? Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day. Me and this camera are about to fight. We're about to like throw down. It knows that I'm wearing a somewhat blue shirt and it's like, hold up, that's just too much blue. I know what we need to do instead. We need to make everything orange. Perhaps if I knew more about cameras and technology, I could fix this problem, but for now I'm just gonna hold up this dirty Real Techniques beauty blending sponge to balance it out. Okay. Anyway, hello. What? Today we're going to be getting into a very exciting box, which is this one right here. This is the Fabfitfun box for the summertime. And today's video is sponsored by Fabfitfun, so thank you very much for supporting the channel. So you and I, us together as a team, as a unit, are going to unbox this box and see what it has in store. For those of you who do not know, Fabfitfun is a seasonal subscription, meaning you get one every single season. Technically, this is the summer box, but didn't it like snow the other day? I don't know what's up with that. It's May. But inside this box, you're going to be getting full-size beauty, lifestyle, wellness, and fashion items. Each box retails for $49.99, but every box comes with at least a $200 value. And in my experience, you get like well over that quite a bit. And if you'd like to try out Fabfitfun for the very first time, you can use my code AR10 for $10 off your very first box, which brings your total to $39.99. And there's a lot of products inside these boxes that are like well over the value that you would pay just for the box for one individual item. So it's a pretty good deal. Alrighty, let's go ahead and start carving into this. I don't know why I said carving. That makes me think of turkey. This isn't a turkey. Every season they also partner with a charity, and this season it is the Special Olympics, which I think is really fantastic. Alright, so the very first thing we have on top here is the little magazine that comes inside. This will give you all sorts of information about like the charity they're partnering with and also the full-size retail value of all the items inside, which I personally really like, so that is nice. I have nowhere to set this. There's not like a clean surface within like 5 feet of me. Will it rest on top of this Gatorade bottle? Yeah. Oh, that is precarious. Fabfitfun also offers customization, so you can customize many of the items in your box. So let's go ahead and see what's in my box very, very balancingly carefully. The first thing I'm actually really excited about. So this is a little key necklace, and I love keys. I used to collect skeleton keys. I think they're super cool. The logo for my vintage shop is actually a skeleton key. This one's not a skeleton key, but it's close enough. Oh, this is actually really cool. So this is from the Giving Keys. It says ending homelessness through employment, and it's just like a tiny little key, and on it, I don't know if you guys will be able to see it, but it says believe. I think that's super duper adorable. Plus you guys know that I love tiny things. Oh, that's really cute. I like that a lot. I typically wear like gold jewelry, but this silver little key is very adorable. Can't see it, but it's really cute. Next up in here we have something from Yumi Kim. This is a wireless charging pad. Ooh, I'm excited. I lose my charger on average like, I don't know, 10 to 15 times a day. Should I just leave it where it is so that way I know where it is? Sure, of course I should. But do I carry it around with me everywhere I go like Sophia from the Golden Girls with her purse? Yes, I do. Oh, it's actually really cute too. I wasn't expecting that. I thought it would just look like a little like white plastic coaster or something, but it has like a little floral pattern on the front of it. I think that's really adorable. And then it has like the charging part of it, of the charger. Is it bad that I don't really understand like how this works? Like I don't understand how you can just set your phone on this little plastic disc and it charges it. It's kind of like how my dad is just still really blown away by the idea of a wireless printer. The next thing we have in here is from Terraco, and this is a foot cream in the scent Sicilian Blood Orange. I bet this is gonna smell absolutely fantastic. Hard on me, slight revision. It is not from this right here. It is actually from Cali Cosmetics. Terraco actually means beautiful in the Sicilian dialect. Okay. It says that this is a foot cream, but I'm not rubbing this on my foot here on the YouTube. It's not that kind of show. So we're just gonna try this on our hands. Whoa. Vicks Vapo Rub? I really thought this was gonna have like a super strong like orangey scent to it, but it's actually kind of mentholy or like Vixie. That was not what I was expecting at all. I'm guessing maybe that has something to do with like why it's supposed to go on your foot. Like maybe the menthol is good for your feet, but it actually feels really nice and soft on the hands. Oh, I should have waited for like 5 seconds because now I have a hand cream. Maybe I'll rub this one on my foot. We'll just do like old switcheroo. No, you know what? Still not that kind of show. This is actually from Spongele, which we have received like the sponges from them before. I had no idea that they made anything else. The sponges smell absolutely fantastic, so I'm sure this hand cream is gonna smell great. I think the outer packaging of this is really pretty. This is coconut verbena, and it's infused with shea butter, macadamia seed oil, and argan oil. Argan oil, not organ oil. I'll rub this on my arms. Ooh, Ooh, that smells fantastic. Wow, that smells so good. You definitely get the coconut in there and the verbena, which I think is like kind of a citrusy thing as well. Oh, that smells so good. Doesn't smell like organs at all. All right, next up we have something in here from Winky Lux. Such pretty packaging on this. This is a brow pencil. It's supposed to be a universal brow pencil. I just really love that packaging. So this is dual-ended. We have a little spoolie on one side and then the product on the other. It is just kind of like a very neutral, almost grayish brown color. I'm a little bit leery about things that say that they're universal because some people have blonde eyebrows, some people have like really deep dark black eyebrows, so it's a little bit hard to say something is truly universal. I'm sure with different like pressure that you put on your thing, I'm just drawing lines all over my hands. Based on the pressure and the amount you put on, I'm sure you can make it lighter and darker, but I think this would be okay for me actually. I have like that nice just kind of non-colored hair. It's just like mousy brown with a few streaks of gray because almost 30. Okay, next in here is something from Zoe Isla. This is a face and body ice roller. I don't know if they mean like one of those little like jade rollers. I have a couple of those. I broke one literally yesterday. It fell off my counter and like exploded on the floor. So if it's one of those, then you know I'll have a replacement. Ooh, this actually looks quite different. Right? Oh, okay. So they mean like legitimately you're gonna roll your body with some ice. You're supposed to put this into the freezer and then you can roll it all over your face and body. I bet that would be very chilly, but also very like invigorating. Oh, it's already cold. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pop this into my freezer and give that a try because I think that would feel really, really nice. The next thing we have in here is from Peptide. This is a Moisture Reset Phyto Nutrient. I thought I would be able to remember like, you know, the word from here to here, but I didn't. Face oil for anti-wrinkling and restoring. And again, as I mentioned, nearing 30. So any type of anti-wrinkling thing, I'm on board. It comes in a very pretty like pale pink glass bottle with one of the little squeezy nubs on top. It has a very like light kind of herbaceous, herbal, botanical scent to it. It has flower extracts, avocado, pumpkin oils, and rice bran extract. At first I thought it said rice bean extract, like, you know, like beans and rice, but it's not. It's rice bran. And then finally, the last thing we have in here is from Isaac Mizrahi. Ooh, this is a vase. Apparently it is hand dipped, making it extraordinarily special. Isaac Mizrahi, does he have something to do with Project Runway? I love Project Runway. Is that show still on? Is it a very Kentucky thing of me to try to immediately start playing the jugs when I pull this out of the box? Has anybody else ever done that? Like blown on the top of a jug to like make music sounds? No? Okay. So here is the vase. The bottom is like a nice matte white and the top part is like a shinier, drippy, pale pink. I think this is super duper cute with some like really simple greenery or something in it. I think it would look very, very lovely. I mentioned a few times to you guys that I'm going to be moving into a new home. I've been saying that for, I don't know, 8, 9, 10 months. It's still there. I still have it. I will be moving into it. Right now I'm just doing some renovations and things like that, and decorating is going to be a whole lot of fun. I'm going to see if I can do some like filming and stuff while I'm decorating, but I think I could definitely work this into my vision of what I want my house to look like. I promise I'm not crazy. Playing the jugs is a real thing. Alrighty, so that was everything in the summer box. This time we got a lot of like creams and more like beauty stuff. Sometimes I almost prefer it when we get more like fashion and home things just because I get so many beauty boxes. But I do like that we got the vase. That's something I can definitely display. And the little charging pad will be fun to try out. So I think there's a lot of fun stuff in here. Alright, so really quickly, I'm gonna get you guys some prices for this stuff so I can tell you all how much my box is valued at. Oh! I don't know how it like jolts my heart every time I see the price of an oil, but like dang, it never gets old. I never get used to it. You'd think I would. After all this time of doing unboxings and receiving like incredibly priced oils, I don't. That's the cheapskate in me, 100% for sure. Okay, so the very first thing that I received was the Yumi Kim wireless charging pad. It is $35. The next thing that I received is the Peptide Moisture Reset Face Oil, which is $120. Yeah. Makes you want to like a little bit. That's just a number for a face product that I just can't get used to. Then we have the Giving Keys mini key necklace, which is $45. Wow. The little vase here from Isaac Mizrahi is $28. Like, it's just so orange. Like the camera just cannot handle the orangeness of my face right now. Fix. The ice roller is $30. Then we have the Linky Lux. The Linky Lux never gets easier, does it? Okay, the Winky Lux Universal Eyebrow Pencil, which is $16. Oh, okay, I actually was right. So then we have the foot cream, which has a combination of menthol and olive oil, which is $24. The hand cream from Sponge LA is $18. And while there was a Wander Beauty product on the docket here and it didn't show up in my box. I am absolutely just stunned. It's been quite a long time since I busted out the ice cream calculator, and to be fully honest, I don't know where it is. Underneath all the debris from my just rampage of unboxings? Probably, but that would be digging through far too much rubble to be able to find it, so I'm just gonna use my phone to do some really quick addition. Let's do some simple addition. $50 for a t-shirt. That is too much money. All right, I think I got everything and my total came to $316. Also, please ignore just how completely busted up my phone is. I don't know if you guys know this about me, but I drop stuff quite often. Sometimes I'll get comments like, there's no way you're that clumsy. Stop dropping things on purpose. And I'm like, if I could stop, I would. Do you think I like destroying everything I own? No. It's been my curse since I was a child. So anyway, alright you guys, that was everything in my Fabfitfun summer box. Like I said, if you guys are interested in trying out Fabfitfun, you can get $10 off your very first box if you use my code AR10, and then you'll be able to try out all sorts of fun full-size items for yourself. Alrighty, so I guess that is all I have you all today. Thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and consider subscribing if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me, and I just hope you guys have a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!